can't feel my left ass cheek, and I'm pretty sure my right leg doesn't exist anymore.
Oh, right at this noon hour, this is one of the largest winter storms our area has seen in the past 2 years.
Welcome back to Kentucky Vlogs. On today's episode, we got a winter storm coming. They're calling for 6 inches of sleet today. It's supposed to start at 5 o'clock this afternoon, so we're going to get up to Walmart and get us some stuff in case we get stuck at the house. We're going to go ahead and go out to eat at a place called Pizza Inn. So come along for the ride with us today, and you'll see what all we got going on. Let's get to Walmart and get some stuff before we get stuck at the house. You can't get out of that. You can't get out of that.
Alright.
We're pulling up to the bank. We got 2 checks. We're gonna get cash real fast before the sleet comes this afternoon. It's supposed to come earlier than what they said it was, so we're not gonna be able to go to Pizza Inn. Sorry for 14, I'll take it. Stop. In Dollar Tree now, grabbing a couple extra things just in case we do get stuck at the house for a few days. Planning to make tacos tonight, so grabbing a few things for that. And we ended up getting everything from here except for tortilla shells for the tacos, so we're gonna have to go to Dollar. Dang it, cold weather done got us again. And this is our good car. We're gonna have to jump it. Alright, got her started back up, thank God. Had that jump box, so we threw it on and got it started. If y'all haven't seen the video on that Ultima right there, make sure you go check the video out before this one. And you'll be able to see that video and see about that car. We've got a video coming up on this HHR. You don't want to miss that. Alright, we stopped up here at the mechanic to check on the Grand Prix. That's a video coming up. I gotta see if he's got it ready or not yet. And we're gonna be doing a video on it. So I'll be back after I find out about it. We got the next day report here. It's definitely covered in ice. Solid ice on that road. Solid ice. Nothing but ice. Ice everywhere. I would say it's about 3 inches of ice out here. Everything is ice. What is this? Got the old doggy out here. So he used the bathroom, but it is so cold out here. It's like 24 degrees out here, or 23. I'm not sure exactly the temperature, but it is cold. You can feel your hands freezing.
People, quit.
Check it. My poor car covered in ice. She ain't going nowhere for a day or two. Let me show y'all how thick this ice is. Subscribe to the channel and help us out.